Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find previously generated images in ChatGPT. If you've created images with ChatGPT before, you can usually find them by returning to the conversation where they were generated or by going to the library. So here's how. So open ChatGPT and sign into your account. Now click the conversation from your chat history that contains the generated images or image. So click on that. So in here, you can scroll through the chat until you find the image. Now click the image to view it in full size. Then you can share, you can download, you can like or dislike this image, whatever you want to do. You can remove it or you can edit it depending on what you want to do. And that's basically it. So right here at the bottom, you can also click this download button to download the image. Next method, on the left sidebar, go to library. Now in here, click images. Then what you need to do next is to click this three lines right here, then select generated. And you should see all of recently generated or past generated images in ChatGPT. You can scroll through it. You can click the three dots right here. You can download it from here. You can rename it. You can move it or you can delete it. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.